Hello and welcome back to Slimestagram. Today we are going to be making some cloud slime, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is open up your white glue. You're then going to pour half of it inside. And then pour in half of your clear glue. Once they are both in there, you're just going to take the mixing spoon and mix it all together. Now it's time to be adding in your color. So I'm just going to be pouring in a few drops of yellow, and mixing it in. After that, I'm going to be pouring in some pink paint. Now it's time to mix it all together. Now it's time to add in our activator. For this slime, I'm going to be adding in some of our contact solution and some baking soda. Now that our slime is mostly activated, you're going to mix it with your hands. Now that we have put our slime aside and we have cleaned our bowl, it's time to make our snow. So we're just going to take 1 teaspoon of this pour it in. Now we are going to be putting in 2 ounces of water. I have now added my ounces of water and I'm going to be making more of the snow. So I'll see you when that's done. Now I am back with all of my snow, so I'm just going to grab my slime. And start dipping it in and mixing. So now we're back and this is our final slime. Overall, it feels really good and it's super stretchy. I'm going to be adding some lotion just to make it softer and stretchier. We are officially done and this is our slime. Overall, I really like the way it looks and it feels super amazing. It was also super fun to make and super pretty. I'm Sophia with Slimestagram and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check out some of our other videos if you really like this one.